Hi, wanna know how to connect your Xiaomi Redmi Buds for active to an iPhone? So, as a first step, we would need to find a Bluetooth settings on our phone. The fastest way how to find them is to swipe down to open the control panel. Here, click on this first tab with connection settings. Here you can see this Bluetooth tab and you would need to hold your finger on it and then click on this button Bluetooth settings. Now here you just need to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, and now we are moving on to our earbuds. To turn them into a pairing mode within the first connection, we would need to simply open the case. And after this, if you can see these indicators at the front blink white, that means that they are in the pairing mode and we should be able to find them in the list with other devices. So here, find your Redmi Buds for active and click on them. And this is it. As you can see, now our earbuds are listed as connected and we can enjoy our favorite music or media with these earbuds. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.